Most people solve this question like 9 plus 9 is equal to 18. Then divide 9 multiply 9 is equal to 81. But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. Okay. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay. PEMDAS, PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS, first priority is parentheses, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division. Both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So okay. So first we have to solve multiplication division. Okay. And both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So first we have to solve this division. So is equal to 9 plus 9 divided by 9 is equal to 1 multiply 9. Now here is addition and here is multiplication. So multiplication have first priority, then we have to solve addition. So is equal to 9 plus 1 multiply 9 is equal to 9. So 9 plus 9 is equal to 18. Okay, so the correct answer is 18.